Welcome to BoostMind AI. Today we're testing something huge. Can artificial intelligence beat a human in a full 24-hour productivity challenge? We'll put AI tools head to head against a real person doing the same tasks. Let's find out who's more productive, AI versus human productivity. Let's go. Here's how this works. We've selected 6 common productivity tasks. Both a human and an AI will complete them side by side. We'll track time, quality, and effectiveness. The tasks are writing a blog post, creating a 30-day social media calendar, summarizing a YouTube video, writing and sending cold emails, researching a niche topic, designing a digital flyer. Now, meet the 2 competitors on human side, a content creator using no shortcuts. On the AI side, tools like ChatGPT, Canva Magic Design, Pictory, Notion AI, GrammarlyGO, and Flowrite. Let's start with task 1. Task 1, writing a blog post. The human researches the topic, outlines it, then writes. Time taken, 1 hour. AI uses ChatGPT to generate a blog in 5 minutes, then GrammarlyGO polishes it for tone and flow. Result, AI is 90% faster, quality is solid. Task 2, social media calendar. The human builds an Excel sheet manually. AI uses Notion AI and ChatGPT to generate 30 posts with captions and hashtags in under 10 minutes. Result, AI wins on speed and structure, human has slightly more creativity. Task 3, summarizing a YouTube video. Human watches, takes notes, and writes a summary in 20 minutes. AI uses Pictory and ChatGPT to summarize in 2 minutes. It also generates tweetable quotes. Result, AI is way faster, human summary has more nuance. Task 4, cold emails. Human writes 3 personalized emails in 25 minutes. AI uses Flowrite and ChatGPT to generate 10 emails in 5 minutes. Grammarly checks clarity and tone. Result, AI is faster and scalable, human emails feel more authentic. Task 5, topic research. Human uses Google, reads 5 articles. AI uses ChatGPT and Perplexity to gather structured insights in seconds. Result, AI gives more data fast, human goes deeper. Task 6, flyer design. Human uses Canva from scratch, takes 40 minutes. AI uses Canva Magic Design and Middle.e to generate a flyer in 10 minutes. Result, AI is faster and visually appealing, human design is more custom. Final verdict, AI wins on speed, volume, and automation. Humans win on emotion, creativity, and context. The best strategy. Use both. Let AI handle the repetitive work, let humans focus on creativity and big ideas. This is BoostMind AI, helping you unlock the power of AI to work smarter, not harder. If you got value from this challenge, like and subscribe. Drop a comment below. Are you Team AI, Team Human, or Team Hybrid? Thanks for watching.